My name is Kashaf Alvi. I am deaf and nonverbal. I dedicate my life to disability, inclusion and global peace. I live in Dubai. In the recent conflict and unrest in the Middle East, the world hears sirens and explosions. But millions of deaf people never hear the sirens. War does not disable people, inaccessibility does. Evacuation routes move quickly, wheelchairs do not. Information travels fast, accessibility often never arrives. And in that moment, silence becomes danger. The world made a promise through the Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, a promise that even in times of crisis, the dignity and safety of persons with disabilities must be protected. I live in silence, but I speak for millions. Inclusion in crisis is not generosity, it is humanity. And humanity means one simple truth. Every life matters, every voice must count.